So we start out today's video with the shelf design. This looks like it might feature like dollar store items, so definitely an easy one to play around with in recreating it. I also really like the styling with the black and the wood. Yeah, that is amazing. Very nicely done. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. So here we have someone playing around with some tassel. So she's doing like a dip dye ombre effect for this. Looks like she's trying to make some type of lampshade. Wow, she did an amazing job. That looks so cool. And you could do it in any color you want. Love that idea. Wow, very cool table they created with those legs. Definitely an antique style design. Very cool. Oh, mama hand with the baby hand. That would actually make for like a cool Mother's Day gift. Oh, that is so sweet. And what's nice about that one is it's just such a lovely keepsake to just keep for many years. You know, your child gets older and you still have their little hand. Oh, wow. What an incredible candle holder they created with that design. I love this concept. So pretty, and it looks so high-end too. So we have an IKEA DIY. And then we have a DIY out of some toilet paper. So she's making roses with this. I really love this idea. So pretty, such a cool concept. And if you wanted to, you can go ahead and buy the toilet paper from the dollar store. Love this idea. So she uses makeup to dye it pink. Wow. Absolutely amazing. Such a cool idea. Seriously. So then we have some old light bulbs here. Oh, she's just like wrapping some rope around there. That's pretty cool. Oh, they're pears. Wow. Oh, that is cool. Make a little fruit basket. Love that idea. And then we have someone transforming their door. So they use their own trimming. Wow. It's a pretty cool idea. Oh, she is definitely going to elevate this. I can already see where she's going with it. Painting it. Wow. What a fun upgrade. Now she just has to do all the other doors. So this looks like this person might be making like some type of tray. Oh, they're making a vase. Wow. Oh, that is pretty cool. Oh, this is actually a basket. Oh, toilet paper holder. Wow. Oh, I love this idea. Nice and stylish, especially if you got like that boho theme. Pretty cool. So we have someone with some type of rug. So she's ironing that. So she added a piece of wood. Then the blanket, stapled it. Whoa, so she made a huge artwork piece. That is crazy. I guess this is like some type of wall art design. Oh wow, that is beautiful. Oh, is that supposed to be flowers? Oh, wow. Oh, this is just breathtaking. Amazing. I know this probably took a while to do too. Very cool. And then we have a porch swing DIY. Now, obviously this project isn't beginner friendly. We got someone who's professional working with the wood. I'd be really nervous to do this one, but I mean, he seems like he knows what he's doing, so I would be really afraid that this would fall. Wow, that looks so cool. It looks like a big bed. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed these DIY project ideas and my reactions to them. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.